Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color. The next one is red color. Kids, last one is black color. Now we draw capital letter alphabets and coloring. Green color. Now we draw the letter of A. A for apple. A. Now we draw A. The next one is B. We again use green color. The letter of B. B for ball. Now we draw B. And the next one is C. Now we use blue color. Blue color. Now we draw C. C for cat. The letter of C. The next one is D. D for doll. Now we draw D. Kids, the next one is E. Now we use yellow color. Yellow color. Now we draw E. E for elephant. The next one is F. Kids, now we draw numbers and first we use brown color, the number of 1. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. The number of 2. We again use brown color. Now we draw 2 and the next one is 3. Now we use red color. Red color. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. We again use red color. The number of 4. Kids, now we draw 4 and the next one is 5. The number of 5. Now we draw numbers and the next one is 2D shapes. Black color. Kids, now we draw the shape of square. Now we draw square. The next one is circle. Now we use green color. Green color. Now we draw circle. The shape of circle. The shape of circle, and the next one is triangle. Now we use blue color. Blue color. The shape of triangle. Now we draw triangle. Kids, the next one is heart. Now we use yellow color. Yellow color. Now we draw the shape of heart. Now we draw the shape of heart, and the next one is star. Kids, now we use brown color and draw the shape of star. Now we draw the shape of star. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.